think New Year's is just January 1st? Forget about it. While over 2 billion people celebrate the Western New Year on January 1st, many cultures have their own unique ways to ring in the New Year on completely different dates. From the massive water fights in Thailand to the spiritual reflections in Russia, these celebrations offer a fascinating glimpse into the diverse ways we mark the passing of time. In today's video, we'll explore the top 5 New Year celebrations around the world that happen outside of the January 1st tradition. Get ready to discover how different cultures celebrate renewal, hope, and new beginnings. Starting at number 5 is Songkran, the Thai New Year, celebrated by around 60 million people each April. Songkran usually takes place from April 13th to 15th, marking the beginning of the traditional Thai solar year. The festival celebrates the arrival of the rainy season and the renewal of life. Families visit temples to wash Buddha statues, which is believed to bring good fortune. The highlight of Songkran is the massive water fight, where people splash each other in the streets to symbolize cleansing, forgiveness, and the washing away of bad luck. It's a joyous, community-based celebration, reflecting the Thai emphasis on family, spirituality, and good health for the coming year. At number 4, we have the Orthodox New Year, celebrated by around 260 million people in countries like Russia, Serbia, and Ukraine. This celebration falls on January 14th, according to the Julian calendar, which is 13 days behind the Gregorian calendar used by most of the world. The Orthodox New Year is deeply rooted in religious and cultural traditions. It begins with a church service, where families pray for a fresh start in the new year. The celebration includes feasts with special foods, and many people take time to reflect on the past year's challenges while making spiritual resolutions. For many, it's a chance to reconnect with their faith and loved ones after the Christmas season. Number 3 is Nowruz, celebrated by over 300 million people in countries like Iran, Afghanistan, and parts of Central Asia. Nowruz is celebrated on the vernal equinox, usually around March 21st, marking the first day of spring. It's a festival that predates Islam and is based on the ancient Zoroastrian tradition of celebrating renewal and the triumph of good over evil. Nowruz is a time for family gatherings, elaborate feasts, and the setting up of a haft sin table, where 7 symbolic items are displayed, each representing a different virtue. One of the most exciting traditions is fire jumping, where people leap over bonfires to burn away the misfortunes of the past year. Nowruz is about rebirth, hope, and unity, celebrating the coming of spring and a fresh start for everyone. Our second place goes to Diwali, celebrated as the New Year by over 1 billion people, especially in Gujarat, India. Diwali, the Festival of Lights, takes place between October and November, depending on the lunar calendar. It's a time to celebrate the triumph of light over darkness and good over evil. For the Gujarati people, Diwali is not only a religious festival, but also the start of the new financial year. The festival honors the goddess Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth and prosperity. Homes are decorated with oil lamps, and people wear new clothes, exchange sweets, and set off fireworks to welcome Lakshmi into their homes. This festival highlights family bonds, gratitude, and the hope for a prosperous year ahead. And finally, at number 1 is Chinese New Year, or Lunar New Year, celebrated by an incredible 1.5 billion people worldwide. This festival usually falls between late January and mid-February, depending on the lunar calendar. Chinese New Year is steeped in ancient customs and is deeply connected to the Chinese zodiac. Each year is represented by one of 12 animals, each with its own characteristics. Families clean their homes to sweep away bad luck and decorate with red symbols, as red is thought to bring good fortune. The highlight of the celebration is the family reunion dinner on New Year's Eve, where members from near and far gather to honor their ancestors and celebrate the coming year. Fireworks, dragon dances, and lantern festivals light up the streets. It's a time for reflection, family, and looking forward to a year of prosperity and success. The way the world celebrates the new year varies greatly from country to country, reflecting unique cultural traditions, beliefs, and values. Whether it's through vibrant fireworks, peaceful rituals, or joyful family gatherings, these celebrations bring people together in hope, joy, and unity. If you enjoyed learning about these fascinating New Year celebrations, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more fun cultural facts. Share this video with your friends and family to spread the fun. And as always, thanks for watching.